Ngunit sa huli palagi pabalik pa rin sa'yo.
They don't know what's wrong with me, and I'm too shy to say it's my first love. What I'm dreaming of when I go to bed, when I lay my head up on my pillow.
Nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, naisip ko, ano bang mabuting nagawa ko to deserve someone like you? Ikaw ang pangarap na di ko akalaing makakamit ko.
Dumating ka sa buhay ko.